Oh yeah, that's me. Yeah, boy, let's go. Oh yeah.
What's up, guys? It's your host UD from YouTube Champion, and today we are making another DIY video. So today you are going to be learning how to make a DIY wallet, and so cute. You have two pockets. You can put a small card here and your money here. So let's start making it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. So if you want me to do more of these types of videos, just like and subscribe to my channel, and look at these two cute little wallets. So I will do more DIY videos. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.